100 jobs AI cannot replace. 1. Human-centered care and emotional work.
Psychologists,
Therapists, social workers, nurses,
doctors,
midwives, caregivers, child care workers, hospice workers, mental health counselors. 2. Skilled trades and hands-on craft. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, welders, mechanics, HVAC technicians, roofers, builders, landscapers, pest control specialists. 3. Creative arts and original content. Writers, original storytelling,
poets,
painters, sculptors, musicians, actors, dancers, fashion designers, photographers, film directors. 4. Leadership, strategy, and decision-making.
CEOs,
Managers, politicians, judges, lawyers, mediators, negotiators, HR directors, crisis managers, military leaders. 5. Education and human development.
teachers,
Tutors, special needs educators, coaches, university professors, early childhood educators, career counselors, life coaches, sports trainers, educational program designers. 6. Hospitality, service, and human interaction.
chefs,
Bartenders, waiters, hotel managers,
tour guides,
event planners, wedding coordinators, customer service reps, human-based, baristas, flight attendants. 7. Emergency and safety roles. Firefighters, paramedics, police officers, search and rescue workers, disaster response coordinators,
security guards,
lifeguards, EMTs, safety inspectors, public health responders. 8. Skilled manual and precision work. Tailors, jewelers, watch repairers, furniture makers, ceramic artists, blacksmiths, butchers, bakers, florists, printmakers. 9. Relationship-based professions. Real estate agents, therapists, all types, religious leaders, community organizers,
fundraisers,
social advocates, cultural mediators, public speakers, motivational speakers, influencers, authentic personality-based. 10. Complex human judgment and ethics. Ethicists, compliance officers, investigative journalists,
detectives,
forensic specialists, policy analysts, diplomats, intelligence officers, anti-corruption investigators, human rights workers.